Hi, in this video we'll be talking about string Boolean methods. There are a couple of methods that return true or false. One of them is starts with, which checks if the string or substring starts with a suffix. Let's define our first variable like so, text equals so come and help me. Now let's check whether this string starts with so. Well, it does. Now let's check the substring from index 4 to the end. So, for example, text starts with, let's see whether the substring starts with C. I mean the substring which starts at index 4 and goes to the end of the string. And this is true. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3. And now starting from index 4, this is the substring we're focusing on. This starts with C. Fine. We can naturally also use two indices. So, text starts with so from index 3 to index 7. So I have to use 8 because it's not included. And this is false because this substring does not start with so. There's a very similar method, ends with, which checks if the string or substring ends with a given suffix. So, for example, here's our text, are you okay? And now let's see whether this ends with a question mark. Okay, so print text ends with a question mark. And this is true. Now, does the slice between index 1 and 6, 7 not being included, end in O? Well, the substring between 1 and 6 is REU. This is the substring. So does this end in OU? As you can see, it does. So we get true. Fine. Then we have the method is lower. It returns true if all the letters in the string are lowercase. Have a look. True, because here all the letters are lowercase. And a very similar one is upper. This method returns true if all the letters in the string are uppercase. So this is true. Then we have is title. Is title returns true if all the letters in the string are title case characters, which means each word starts with a capital letter. Other characters are ignored, but there must be at least one letter. So, this is true. How about this? This is false, because this and this doesn't start with a capital letter. Fine. How about this? It's true. Here we have a number, but numbers are ignored. Okay? Well, how about this? Again, all the words start with capital letters and all the other characters are ignored. Well, if we don't have any letters, just numbers, for example, like here, we get false. But if there is at least one character, like here, and if it's capital at the beginning of the word, we get true. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.